Hi guys, Nick Mower today from Mark Supply Company. Today we have a very nice tractor. This is a 2019 Kubota B2301 compact tractor with the LA 434 quick attach front loader with skid steer quick attach. It's going to have an RCK 60-32 60-inch belly mower deck. And on the back, here is something very hard to find at this moment. BH70 backhoe attachment with a 16-inch bucket. Very, very nice tractor here. 231 original hours. Up front lays a complete and full set of 3-point hitch mountings that I don't know that were ever on the tractor. This is a very nice tractor. It has been fully serviced, 100% ready to go to work. All filters and oils have been changed. We're going to walk right here underneath the hood. But first, before I forget, tractor was sold brand new 8/21 of 2019. The tractor has Powertrain warranty until 8/21 of 2025. So engine, transmission, hydraulics are all under warranty on this tractor. Up front, the hood does have a couple scuffs on it. There is one ding over here in the front of the hood. In my opinion, it didn't warranty putting a brand new hood on it, so I didn't do it. The tractor itself, other than that, is a very, very nice tractor that is ready to go to work again. I guess I can't reach that from over here. Let me, nice job, man. Set me up on that, huh? My fault, I just didn't pull it right. So, half the battle's knowing how to use something. Anyhow, powered by a Kubota 3-cylinder diesel engine, starts and runs excellent. The 01 series tractors are a non-emissions tractor, which is a very nice feature. Starts right up, runs, works the way it's supposed to. Again, we've done a full service. All filters and oils have been changed, and that was my issue, latching that hood. Again, you have one dent here in this hood. I want everybody to know that, being 100% honest there. Up front, 60-inch bucket, OEM Kubota bucket with the skid steer quick attach. Front grill guard. Does have the turf tire package on it with the 60-inch deck. Coming here to the back, BH70 quick attach, your subframe mount backhoe. 16-inch bucket. Standard John Deere style setup control. Folding roll bar. Take you over here. So in a B2301, you're going to have low, medium, and high range. You're going to have mid and rear PTO. Selection of rear, mid and rear, or just mid. Up and down for the mower deck. You're going to have your high and low, or your, four-wheel drive in and out. You still have cruise control and park. 231 hours on this tractor. Does have the tilt steering wheel and independent braking. Up front here again, you're going to see a brand new set of 3-point hitch arms never been on the tractor. We're going to go ahead, fire this tractor up. I'm going to run it around and show you everything works the way it's supposed to. tractor full of fuel. If you have any questions on the 2019 Kubota B2301 with a 60-inch belly mower deck, B870 subframe mount backhoe, LA 434 quick attach front loader with a full 3-point hitch kit, skid steer quick attach. This tractor's ready to go to work. It is under powertrain warranty. 231 hours on it. Very nice package set up and ready to go. If you have any questions at all, 814-658-3066. Thank you always very much for checking out Mark's Supply Company. We'll be glad to help in any way that we can. Again, I'm Nick Miller, 814-658-3066. As always, thanks again. Have a great day.